Hi guys, I'm Steve Brown, coming at you from the world-famous Alpine Beat Laboratory, and today we're going to show you our brand new line of our best-selling V-Power amplifiers. Now, replacing the V-Power amp line was not an easy task for Alpine, since the V-Power, and specifically the MRP M500, has been the best-selling amplifier in the US for the last several years. Now, V-Power's success has been a result of its uncanny reliability and performance in the worst possible conditions. Recently, I personally had an Alpine dealer tell me that he witnessed a V-Power amp that was half submerged in water and still playing. Do not try this at home, kids. The goal with the new V-Power series was to improve on the already stellar reliability and performance reputation while also bringing modern digital amplifier technology into the platform. Now, small digital amps were once the laughingstock of the amplifier industry. After all, how could such a small amp chassis produce such big power? Amps had to be big, have aggressive heat sinks, and run hot in order to make lots of sound, or so most thought. Now, in the mid-2000s, digital amps came into their own, and Alpine was really on the forefront of this revolution with our original Alpine PDX design. It was really one of the first successful digital amps because it was focused on sound quality and also ease of installation. Now, the market embraced these small, efficient amps, and now small digital amps are really the rule in the market, not the exception. Now, the price point for this sleek, small digital tech has always been set at a premium. While the most popular amplifier price point in the US is right around $200, all the good technology has always been available at roughly twice that price. So for 2013, Alpine's V-Power amplifiers change all that. We're bringing many of the same qualities that have made PDX so successful down to the sub $200 price point. These qualities are really very simple. It's a sleek design, it's a compact chassis, it's digital efficiency, it's installation flexibility, and of course, most importantly, great Alpine sound quality. The new V-Power line is engineered to carry on the V-Power legacy and appeal to a wider variety of consumers. The first thing you're going to notice about the new V-Power amp is the chassis size. It's about 40% smaller than the previous version due to its all-digital design. This makes installation in tight spaces a snap. Plus, the design of the new amps is simply gorgeous, with the sleek cosmetics, the signature blue LED on the front that pays homage to the PDX amplifier lineup. They also have snap-on terminal covers so you don't see screw holes once the installation is complete. Now, from a reliability standpoint, the new V-Power series uses a revised overload protection circuit. Now, this allows the amp to smoothly roll back power in extreme thermal or load conditions. So when the amp has to go into protection, it makes the transition virtually unnoticeable. Rather than shutting off, it just rolls back the power. We've also added 1 ohm drive capability in our 2 mono models, so this adds installation flexibility as well. V-Power for 2013 also adds automatic turn-on sensing, 4-channel, non-fading speaker-level inputs. This allows easy connection to an OEM head unit. So mono models also now use the remote bass knob as well, the Rux knob. So this allows easy subwoofer control capability without an aftermarket head unit. So now it's easier than ever to add bass to a factory stereo system. Sound quality, as in all Alpine digital amplifiers, is second to none, and this is really a result of our advanced digital feedback circuitry. This design ensures that the output signal matches the input signal. Now, since the output signal is compared to the input signal and corrected twice before it's output to the speakers, this ensures that the output is always correct. The result, best-in-class high bandwidth, low distortion, and high damping factor. Now, there are 3 models in the 2013 V-Power lineup, including the MRV M500, that's the amp shown here. That's 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms. The MRV F300, 75 watts by 4 at 2 ohms. And the MRV M250, that's 250 watts mono at 2 ohms as well. Now, V-Power, like all Alpine amps, comes with a burst certificate. Now, this shows you the exact amount of power that your amplifier made as it came out of the factory. These are usually about 20% higher than the amp's rated power. Now, this is for this MRV M500, rated at 500 watts. This is 575 watts on this particular amp. That about wraps up our Alpine V-Power amp introduction, so don't forget to check out www.alpine-usa.com, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.
Driving Mobile Media Solutions. Alpine.